Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to basically show you my run and gun film rig for when I'm either shooting a running event or shooting a YouTube video with a runner as my subject. So this rig can kind of work in a bunch of different environments. I mostly shoot running, so I'm just gonna kind of use it in that context, but this could obviously work for riding a bike or whatever other kind of action sport or moving subject type stuff you want to use. This could do the trick for you. So I'm gonna cut to some B-roll so you can see sort of the finished product, the shot of what I'm talking about as I talk about the rig. But let's go over gear really quick, just to give you a breakdown of what it is. So basically I have an old Ronin S, older gimbal, but it does the trick, so I'm not gonna replace it. Sony a7 IV with a Zeiss 16-35 f4 lens, nothing fancy, and then a ND filter there on the front so I can kind of adjust my exposure settings on the go. And then up here I basically have this jerry-rigged clamp to the top of my gimbal, and I'm running the gimbal underslung, as you can see. And then this mount plate is mounted to this weird clamp. It's from Amazon. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but I can try to find it and link it for you guys. And then that goes to the Selfie Stick, which attaches to Insta 360. And essentially what this does is it just gives me another angle, gives me an angle of myself if I want to include myself in the video, or for shooting behind the scenes type stuff, like I'll cut to right now so you guys can see. But yeah, have it on a selfie stick. I can change the angle of this, move it all around, get tons of different angles. It's just kind of nice to have as sort of a B cam as I'm shooting with the A cam for my main stuff. One of the applications I've been using this for a lot lately is my girlfriend Helen just started a YouTube channel. She's a professional runner, so we've been shooting content where she's essentially running, and then we're kind of shooting this interview or this kind of conversational style video as she runs. And as a filmmaker, I kind of want to make sure she's able to do her thing as naturally as possible, and then all this gear and all this equipment sort of melts away so that she can just talk about what she's talking about and not worry about all the technical stuff. So basically what I'll do is I'll run this camera on the gimbal, I'll be on a Onewheel, and I'll be just slightly ahead of her, basically side like this, filming. She would be where the camera is right now, and then I'm going this direction on the Onewheel. And I'm just I'm using this flip out screen on my a7 IV to just sort of monitor my settings, make sure we got good audio, exposures are correct, all that sort of stuff. And then again, if I want some other B-roll or I want behind the scenes stuff, I'll just click the Insta 360 on. Another thing is audio becomes really important, especially on a moving subject. So I've tried shotgun mics before, haven't had great success with that just because there's so much wind noise and your distance from the subject tends to vary a lot when you're doing this sort of thing. So I've been using the Rode Wireless Pro mics, which are lavalier mics that you can, usually what I'll do with her is I'll clip the recorder onto her sports bra, and then we'll run that cord up through her shirt or her bra or whatever and clip it somewhere on her collar. So we're getting really nice clean audio from her as she's speaking. And then I'll have a mic on myself as well so that if I ask a question or want to use any additional audio, I have it on myself. So we're getting two tracks going at the same time. They're super easy to use. I would highly recommend those if you're looking for a really simple, like high quality lavalier mic, Rode Wireless Pro. So yeah, that's basically the setup. And again, I shoot running stuff. You could shoot mountain bikes, you could shoot tennis, I don't know, skateboarding, all kinds of cool stuff. So yeah, I'm just a running nerd, so that's what I shoot. And this could apply for sort of whatever you wanted to shoot. So anyways, hopefully you guys found that helpful. If you have any questions about running, about filming, photography, I'd love to answer those in the comments. So go ahead and drop a comment if you'd like. And that's pretty much it for the video. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and I really appreciate you watching. Have a great day.